Macka's Australian Black Angus beef is a family beef operation located on the east coast of New South Wales, Australia, in some of the most prime farmland around. For anyone that wants to step on that world stage and send their produce overseas and capture an amazing market, I suggest that you contact New South Wales Going Global. Going Global for us has taken the guesswork out of finding the right country to step into next and opening up doors that you would only ever dream of. Going Global then also looks for the right customer, the customer that's actually looking for the product that we produce, fresh, green and clean. It started back in 1884 with my grandfather and my great-great aunties, and we're now in the 5th generation. A lot has changed since those days, but I believe so much remains the same. Our commitment to the land and our environment, our passion and dedication to our animals' health and well-being, but also our commitment to our customers to make sure that they're getting quality product on time, every time. So in the last 10 years, we've had a growth of 200%. We now have 8 properties on that east coast of New South Wales, Australia. We're carrying 3,500 Angus breeders, and our cattle go in the local, domestic market and also on that international stage. So together, Going Global and the state government is actually delivering what producers like us are looking for, an easy path to trade.